Hello and welcome to the first lesson in installing MAMP on your local server. MAMP is a tool that can be used in order to run a local server really easily. This tutorial is for Mac users. First thing I'll do is find MAMP and go to their download section. From there, I'm going to download MAMP and MAMP Pro 5.7 for Mac OS. And once this package is done downloading, I'm going to open it. Wait for it. iOS does come with a built-in local server, but I found MAMP to be much more useful in managing databases and more advanced stuff, and whether you choose to use that or not is totally up to you. But whatever you're doing, if you're getting ready to deploy a website before you actually put it live, or if you don't have a domain name yet, or if you haven't thought of one, running a local host is an excellent way to kind of test your ideas out. So this is done downloading. I'm going to open it. Package installer will launch, and I'm going to say continue. Important information, you should definitely always read that. And the license agreement as well, very important that we read every single one of these words. And agree, because I read everything. And this is just telling me it's going to install it on the disk Macintosh HD, which is great. Perfect. Go ahead and install. I'll type in my password. Very complicated password. And I'll let this install.